Welcome my dear friends. Today we will do 5 CBSE board exam MCQs based on probability. Chapter 14, question number 1 to 5. So question number 1. Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? Option A 0.01, option B 3%, option C 16 by 17, opशन डी 17/16. यह क्वेश्चन CBSE 2022 में आया है. Solution. We know that probability of an event is equal to 0 or greater than 0 and it is equal to 1 or less than 1. So here 0.01 is less than 1, 3%, 3 by 100 is also less than 1, 16 by 17 is also less than 1, and D 17 by 16 it is greater than 1. Therefore answer 1D, because 17 upon 16 is greater than 1, whereas probability of an event between 0 and 1. So now question number 2. Which of the following numbers cannot be the probability of happening of an event? Option A 0, option B 7 upon 0.01, option C 0.07, option D 0.07 upon 3. यह क्वेश्चन CBSE 2023 स्टैंडर्ड में आया है. Solution. We know that probability of an event is equal to 0 or greater than 0 and it is less than 1 or equal to 1. So answer 2B, because probability lies between 0 and 1 and here 7 upon 0.01 is equal to 700 greater than 1. प्रोबेबिलिटी ये जो 700 जो है एक से ज़्यादा है, 1 से ज़्यादा है, इसलिए ऑप्शन 2B इज द आंसर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेसिंग द करेक्ट आंसर, द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग द करेक्ट गेसिंग, the probability of guessing the correct answer to a certain test question is x by 6. If the probability of not guessing the correct answer to this question is 2 by 3, then value of x is. ये क्वेश्चन CBSE 2024 स्टैंडर्ड में आया है. So 4 options given: A 2, B 3, C 4, D 6. Solution. We know that probability of not guessing the answer of the question PE bar plus PE, probability of guessing the correct answer of the question, is equal to 1. Here PE bar is equal to 2 by 3 given in the question and PE is equal to x by 6. Therefore 2 by 3 plus x by 6 is equal to 1. This implies x upon 6 is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3. 2 by 3 को हम इधर ले आए राइट हैंड साइड में, इज इक्वल टू, इसमें से ये सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है, इज इक्वल टू 1 by 3. Therefore x is equal to 6 multiplied by 1 by 3 is equal to 2. So answer option A is correct. A option is 2. Now we will do the next question. Question number 4. For an event E, PE plus probability of event plus probability of not that event, happening of that event, PE bar is equal to x. Then the value of x cube minus 3 is. यह क्वेश्चन CBSE 2021 स्टैंडर्ड में आया है. 4 ऑप्शंस गिवन: A -2, B 2, C 1, D -1. Solution. Given probability of E plus probability of E bar is equal to x. We know that probability of any event E plus probability of not happening that event PE bar is equal to 1. From this and this on comparison, x is equal to 1. नाउ वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स क्यूब माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 1 क्यूब, एक्स की वैल्यू रख दी, 1 क्यूब माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2. सो आंसर ए ऑप्शन माइनस 2 is correct. Now question number 5. Two coins are tossed together. The probability of getting at least one tail is. CBSE 2023 स्टैंडर्ड में आया है. इसमें एटलीस्ट वन टेल ऑप्शन गिवन A 1/4, B 1/2, C 3/4, D 1. Solution. Total possible outcomes are HH, HT, TH, TT. Number of favorable outcomes is equal to 3, namely HT, TH, TT. Why? Because in question at least one tail is required. Therefore HT, TT and both tail TT is also इसमें हमको आउटकम्स में आएगा. तो therefore probability of E is equal to 3/4. Probability of E is equal to 3/4 favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. यदि इन क्वेश्चंस के समझने में आपको कहीं कोई डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट्स में लिखिए, मैं उसका रिप्लाई करूँगा. विद दिस बेस्ट ऑफ लक. थैंक यू.